Right-clicking with the Courageette shotgun ejects its core, and shooting it creates a nuke. Nuking your enemies is a great way to get rid of groups. You can also parry your own pellets to propel them forward. That's called a projectile boost. The pump charged shotgun has the ability to charge your shots to deal more damage, but if you overcharge it, you explode. This explosion can be useful for clearing groups and healing yourself, by the way. The Southern shotgun has a chainsaw like if it was a bayonet in the French army. You can shoot the chainsaw and then parry it to propel it forward, or just punch it with a knuckle blaster to eject it. It can also deal melee damage in close-up fights. You can keep on parrying the chainsaw to shoot at multiple enemies to quickly get rid of them. The chainsaw can also pierce through enemies. Any tips of flying?